Hi everyone, Shalom. I'm David from the I-Fal app. Welcome to our Chill English podcast. Today we have 5 fun news stories. I will tell you each story in simple English. Then, I add a small comment. Let's start. Story 1. Quentin Tarantino in Wales. A big news site says that Quentin Tarantino was in Wales. He was on a movie set with singer Kylie Minogue. People thought he was the director, but no. He is an actor in the new film. He does not direct this one. He just plays a role on camera. I like this story. Tarantino is famous. He usually makes films. Now he acts. Like when your friend tries a new sport. He steps out of his comfort zone. For me, it feels like that time I tried surfing in Tel Aviv. I was off balance, but I had fun. Story 2. Jonathan Razel's health update. The musician Aharon Razel spoke about his brother Jonathan. Jonathan had a brain event a few weeks ago. He was in the hospital. Now, he is okay. He can speak. He even tells jokes. Aharon said the family felt a lot of support from the public. That support helped them a lot. This is warm news. It makes me smile. I like when people help each other. It reminds me of my neighbor in Ramat Gan. He fell and hurt his leg. The whole building brought him soup. It is nice to see people care. Story 3. Food market and big players. A business report says that a few big companies control many food products in Israel. They own brands like soda, juice, and snacks. When there are few companies, they can set high prices. Some people call this a monopoly. A monopoly means little or no competition. I think about the shuck in my city. I buy olives at 2 stalls. If only one stall sold olives, they could make the price very high. Then, I might pay too much. It is good to have choice. Like in English lessons, too many boring books is not fun. You need variety. Story 4. How to build a company that lasts. In a special panel, 3 experts spoke about how to build a company for the long term. One is an accountant, one is a lawyer, and one works at a big tech team. They said that stability starts way before a crisis. You need a good plan, a strong team, and money saved for tough times. This advice is like making shakshuka. You don't just throw eggs in the pan. You learn a recipe. You buy good tomatoes. You turn on the heat slowly. If you rush, the eggs stick and you burn the pan. A steady process is the secret. Story 5. Ray-Ban family drama. In Europe, a big family owns a famous glasses brand, Ray-Ban. The oldest son, Leonardo Maria, wants to buy his brother's shares. The total deal is $11.5 billion. That is a huge amount. He says it will break the deadlock since their father died. There are strong accusations in the company. This is one of the biggest private finance deals in Europe. Family and money can be tricky. I remember my cousin's wedding. Then he asked his brother for a loan. It was a small amount, but it became a big family talk. Money and family mix can feel like hummus and tahini. Good, but sometimes a bit too rich. That was our 5 stories today. Thank you for listening with me. I hope you enjoyed the news in simple English. I loved helping you. See you soon on the I-Fal app, only 20 shekels per lesson. Take care and bye-bye.